Welcome to 2026, where making money online is more accessible and exciting than ever before. The landscape of remote work and online business continues to evolve. With artificial intelligence and blockchain technology leading the charge, the options seem limitless. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or become a full-time online entrepreneur, there's something for everyone. So let's dive in and explore the top avenues to make money from the comfort of your home or while traveling the world.
First up is AI-driven content creation. Platforms utilizing powerful AI can generate articles, scripts, and even books. Writers can use these tools to enhance productivity, while others may partner with AI to create engaging content faster than ever before. Think about podcasts, blogs, and ebooks, all expanding your reach and potential income. With AI, the world of content is your oyster, requiring no more than a subscription and some creativity.
Cryptocurrency trading takes a new twist with 2026's advanced trading platforms. With real-time data analysis and automated trading bots at your fingertips, you can trade coins or invest in NFTs with ease. It's essential to stay informed and updated, but these platforms make it easier for anyone to start trading and potentially earn significant returns. Remember though, investing always involves risk, so trade wisely.
Another lucrative option is creating and selling online courses. Share your expertise with the world by developing courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. As more people look to upskill from home, demand for online education is surging. Whether you're teaching a language, a craft, or business skills, there's likely an audience eager to learn from you. Craft your course, market it well, and watch your student base grow.
Have you heard of virtual real estate? Buying and selling property in virtual worlds is a booming market right now. As tech advances, these digital lands become more valuable. Users are creating, buying, and selling spaces in various metaverse platforms. It's a novel approach to invest, and with the right strategy, you can turn a profit. Dive into this digital domain and explore a modern frontier of online investment. Finally, e-commerce is an evergreen method to make money. In 2026, niche online stores powered by AI-driven insights into consumer behavior are a winning formula. Launch your brand with unique products or dropship trending items. The tools available today make setting up and running an online store easier, helping you focus on growth and customer satisfaction. Are you ready to be the next e-commerce mogul?